Missing something in your bento? Try this spam musubi. And the most important thing for a spam musubi is a rice ball. Wet your hands, take some salt, rub it in your palm. Take 120 grams of Japanese strip grain rice and shape it in your palm. This is super easy, and the only way you can possibly fill this onigiri is because you use long grain rice. Make it into a spam-shaped onigiri, but just thicker, and you're done. Now that we're done with the rice balls, let's cut some spams. I prefer my spams half an inch thick, but it's up to you. Because I'm making a teriyaki flavor spam, I'm gonna mix the sauce for glazing before I sear them. We're gonna need soy sauce, mirin, and sake, 1 tablespoon each. Now, let's cook. You do not need extra oil for your pan because this spam is already oily. Medium heat, 1 minute on each side. Now we're gonna add in the sauce. Coat the spams well in the sauce. And we're done. Now the seaweed. We're gonna fold the seaweed before we cut them. It's crispy already, so folding them before you cut them actually helps to form an intact shape. See? Place a rice ball and the glazed ham and wrap it with seaweed. Now the seaweed will become sticky when in contact with moist, so you don't have to worry about it getting loose. And pack your bento box. This is for you, and this is for me. Comment below to let me know what you'd like to cook next. Bye bye!